Planning a trip to Cambodia? Here's a simple guide to understanding the visa application process. Start your application by entering your basic details, including personal information, passport data, and travel plans. Ensure all entries are accurate and match your official documents. Fill in the application form carefully. Each section requires correct and complete information to avoid delays during processing. Upload the required documents, such as a clear copy of your passport, a recent passport-size photograph. Make sure all files are clear and properly formatted. Check all the information before submission. Even small errors can affect the outcome of your application. Proceed with the payment using the available online methods. Once completed, your application moves forward for processing. After processing, the approved visa is sent to your email. Download and print it to present during your journey. Follow each step carefully to avoid delays.